In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Facebook ads payment failed problem. If you've encountered the dreaded, "we couldn't process your payment" message, don't worry. We've got a solution to help you get back on track in just a few steps. Let's begin by taking a closer look at your payment method details. Navigate to the business settings, head over to payments, and double check crucial information like your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Accuracy is key here since any discrepancies could prevent a successful transaction. It's vital to ensure these details match what's on the card you're using. Next, confirm that your payment method has sufficient funds or available credit. It's easy to overlook this step, especially if you often use the card without much afterthought. Make sure your card limit isn't maxed out and there are no pending transactions that might interfere with the payment. Now let's verify that your billing address is correctly entered and matches what your bank has on file. Mismatches can disturb the flow of transaction verification. A simple typo or an old address could be the culprit here, so take a moment to align these details with those registered with your bank. If everything seems correct but the issue persists, it might be time to try a different payment method. Consider using another credit card or alternatives like PayPal. This step is about troubleshooting new pathways for the transaction in case your primary method is temporarily encountering issues. Still hitting a wall? It may be necessary to contact your bank or card issuer directly. They can tell you if there's a block or restriction causing the payment denial. Financial institutions sometimes have security measures that may flag transactions as suspicious and stop them to protect you. Another often overlooked trick is to remove and re-add your payment method in the Facebook business settings. This act of refreshing the connection can resolve any underlying technical glitches that may have caused the problem initially. If the issue seems related to your browser, clearing your cache might do the trick. Alternatively, try switching to a different browser or device altogether. Cached data can affect how pages load and function, so this step helps ensure it's not a browser-related roadblock. Finally, when all else fails, reaching out to Facebook support via the Business Help Center may be your best bet. They're equipped to handle complex cases and provide guidance tailored to your specific situation. And there you have it, steps to troubleshoot and solve the Facebook ads payment failed issue. By following these actions, you can address payment disruptions effectively and continue running your campaign smoothly. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope these solutions bring you back on track quickly.